Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Not too much movement there. We've got here still our head and shoulders pattern on the chart in this region. The assumption is still that we rallied in a wave one. This was an A wave down. We're currently doing a B wave triangle and would then come down in a C wave afterwards. As communicated in the last few videos, the question is currently, is this B wave just going to be a triangle? It looks like an Elliott wave triangle. Yeah, it doesn't necessarily look like a triangle, but it's an Elliott wave triangle count. Or do we get a higher B wave in a larger ABC or WXY pattern? If we break above 42 cents, I would count it as a high B wave with resistance around 43, 44.4 and 45.3 cents. Yeah. At least that would be next resistance. Until we break above 42 cents, the idea is to go down directly in the C wave of wave 2. As long as we then hold the yellow support area, the overall wave count would be a wave 1 to the upside here, to the peak in April, a wave 2 to the downside in ABC, we're holding 33.3 cents, and then a rally in a third wave afterwards. That would be a very bullish outlook. What happens if we break below 33.3 cents? We will have one more bullish wave count left, and that would allow the price to bottom at around 27.6 cents. It would just mean that we came down in an A wave into the 10th of March low. Then this is an overshooting B wave or high B wave. And this is a C wave down, maybe a 1, 2, you know, but the structure doesn't really suggest it at this stage, okay? But then as long as we're holding then 27.5 cents, this would still be a possible breakout, well, support level for a wave 3 rally. It would just be allow for a deeper retracement. Is a bearish count possible? Of course, you know, that's why I say, you know, below 27.6 cents, new bear market lows will be primary expectation, and already below 33.3 cents, a new bear market low will get much more in the focus. I mean, from a bearish point of view, I mean, what would be the count? Because a few people asked, I mean, we would then say that we had here an A wave, the move down was a B wave, and this was an ending diagonal in wave C. And now we're doing something like that, a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. Yeah, and this would now follow through further, okay, to new lows, something like that. But again, as long as we're holding above bullish support, you know, we focus on the upside. It's very simple. Now here, on the shorter time frame, we've got that head and shoulders. Yeah, but it unfolds as an Elliott wave triangle. Depends on what happens now. So we've got that Elliott wave triangle count complete. This could have been an E wave top here, yeah, but it's also possible to get an extension of the E wave. Again, the breakout point here to the upside 42 cents and to the downside remains at 37.8 cents. As long as we don't break 37.8, we can move around in the triangle. Yeah, it's just sort of a range movement, which is very hard to predict, if not impossible, because, you know, ranges it mean that the market hasn't really decided what to do. Yeah, the market is not decided. The market hasn't decided. Market hasn't made up its mind yet, and you get a lot of headwinds, a lot of up and down. So just be aware of those breakout points. And the primary view would be that we break out to the downside from here, would be in line with that head and shoulders count. It's just the question is just here in the very short term. Do we, you know, from an Elliott wave triangle count of point of view, if we count this as the D wave low at 37.8 cents, or yeah, 37.9, was this an A wave? Do we now do a B wave and move up in C afterwards to get a higher E wave, or was the E wave already here and we break down now? Current price action wouldn't really suggest that we are already breaking down now, because the move down looks fairly weak, fairly corrective at this stage, but that can accelerate quickly, and you are now aware of the key breakout points, the potentials. There isn't much more to add, just boring sideways action at this stage. And yeah, all the levels should be communicated now. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.